Hey guys, how are you all and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Sephora UK store in Westfield where we can find a lots of makeup products and skincare items for all type of skin. This store was closed for some reasons but now it has opened here after 12 years, and even though almost a week has passed since the first day, but here is still the same rush as you can see. Here you can see a red carpet has been rolled out to welcome the customers. It's looked very amazing. So we are also seeing some Sephora products for purchasing, and here every person can buy the products according to their range. It's very good product, it's super shiny. Here, the first 300 customers receive free gift surprises, which are very amazing and very useful products. So let's enjoy this video with us and let me know that how many persons are willing to visit Sephora store for purchasing their favorite skincare and makeup products. There are so many lipstick shades here. I am wanting to buy them all. Here you can see a huge fragrance collection. So it's time to go home. So here's my shopping from Sephora store, and hope you guys like this video. So I want to say that must visit Sephora UK store, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Bye bye.